Hey, what's up guys? So here I have is the RYOBI flashlight. This is the model FVL51. It has a little clip to hang off your jacket or your pants or belt. It's up to you. That is the power button. You have your LED in the front. So this is the battery it comes. It is a USB lithium. So you can see there, you charge it right there with a USB-C. Very nice. So let's get it on. And show you guys how awesome it is. Okay, so press the power button, turns on, turn off, different levels. So I'm gonna turn off all the lights and I'm gonna show you guys how all the levels work. All right guys, so basically pitch black. Looking right at my mother-in-law's fireplace. So turn it on, that is the high. Looks beautiful. I mean, no issue whatsoever. You can see very good. Now, this is the lower level. So the high and low. I mean, it's beautiful. And the good thing about it, you don't have to keep on going through batteries. It is chargeable with a USB and you'll be all set. So beautiful. Recommend this flashlight. Very, very nice. Love it.